Recording narration over a PowerPoint presentation. Adding voiceover to your PowerPoints allows the viewer to understand the full context of your slides without you having to be physically present. Depending upon the particular version of PowerPoint you have, things may look slightly different for you, but hopefully you should still be able to work your way through. Narration will likely be the last thing you add, so make sure your PowerPoint is complete. Set up your content, animations, and transitions as you want them, and it's a good idea to run through your presentation to make sure everything is perfect. Once you are happy and ready to record, under the Slideshow tab, click Record Slideshow using the drop-down arrow to select Record from Beginning. Ensure that your microphone is not muted using the button in the lower right-hand corner. If you like, you can also add your camera to appear alongside your presentation. If you have multiple microphones connected to your computer, use the Settings button in the top right to make sure that you are using the correct one. Along the bottom of the screen, there are several tools to aid in your delivery, including a laser pointer and pens. If you choose to use these, they will appear on the final recording with your voice. When you are ready, press the record button. You will be counted in, then present exactly as if you were doing it in front of a live audience. It is possible to record the whole thing in one go, but it's probably easier if you stop the recording once you reach the end of each slide, recording each one separately. Clicking the right arrow will advance the next animation, or go to the next slide. If you make a mistake, you can use the Clear button to erase the recording for the current slide, then re-record. Be aware though, that if you re-record slide 2 for example, and accidentally advance your slides too far and end up on slide 3, it will consider that a fresh slide 3 recording as well, and erase what you already had. For this reason, it is a good idea to record narration for your slides in order, only moving on once you are happy that what you already have is correct. Once you have completed recording, close this window and preview the whole thing by clicking the Start Slideshow from Beginning button.
Welcome to my presentation demonstrating how narration works. Here are my main talking points. Point 1, point 2, point 3, point 4. And here is a graph. Using the pointing tool, I will point out the important bits. And that's it. Thanks for listening, and here are my references.
As you can see, your slides will automatically advance along with your voice. If you feel that there should be a longer or shorter pause before moving on to the next slide, adjust the timing in the Transitions tab accordingly. And with that, your PowerPoint should be complete. Remember to save your hard work before sending it off to its intended viewers.